Welcome to Zimbabwe. Welcome to Machibele's North Province. Welcome to rural Wange. Right, we are here working at Lanyula Cultural Village, and we're building the next generation of African villages. Something never done yet in Zimbabwe, and we are pushing on the rural communities on social mobility and sustainability. These are the two concepts we are doing. So I'm going to show you what we're doing here. We are going to build. We're going to put a rocker there. We're putting a rocker there. It's going to have the biggest Mbira ever built in Zimbabwe, as a symbol of the rise of Zimbabwe. We're going to put one of the biggest Mbira statue ever put in rural Zimbabwe. You'll see it standing there. Keep an eye on what will happen. It will show it's 2.5 meters tall. One of the biggest Mbira instruments ever built in rural Zimbabwe, and we are doing it here. So let me get back to work and we'll show you what happens after. So the biggest Mbira will stand over here. We'll see. When it comes out, we are already getting it started. It will stand over here. It will be overlooking the cultural village. You've got to come to the Lanyula Cultural Village to be able to see that. And it's done by rural communities, the communities here around Wange. And by the way, my name is Tam. I'm Well, thank you for listening to that. We hope to catch you up in the next episode. Thank you.